Hello to all my friends out there. So the comments were awesome. I'm sure glad I read them today. This is my mint tea with honey, a pinch of cinnamon, and lemon. If you get a chance to get this brand, it's very good. So anyway, there was a couple of good top ramen recipes left. Fry beef and onion and peppers. I think this was the one, remove the juice, and then add beef gravy to your top ramen. The other one was 1 package top ramen, 1 heaping teaspoon peanut butter, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes or hot sauce, 1/2 cup frozen peas and carrots, and add chopped peanuts. Okay, so now you heard there's a Jimmy Dean pork link sausage. So I looked up, I go, well, what is that contaminated with? Okay, this is a good one. Metal pieces. 14 tons have been recalled. One time in the beauty, that's Jimmy Dean's link sausage, turkey and pork. One time we bought enchiladas at the tamales at the beauty shop, and those were contaminated with some long metal wires. So, okay, so somebody asked me, can you give me one of the recipes on the cover of this cookbook? And it's not a walnut bread. This is a, I'll tell you in a second. Okay, the first one is the prune date bread. That's that round one. So here is the recipe. It's probably good. I'll show you some of the crafts my mom and I used to do. This is a quilt we made a long time ago. My dad has been dead 20 years, so this was like over 20 years ago. The family likes to see this kind of stuff. Okay, the second one is, let me see, rye crescents. This looks good. And here is a picture of one of the quilts we made. I have vague memories of this. Okay, and let's see. Orange honey pecan rolls. There was 2 different types of pecan rolls on the cover. And here is these, you guys might remember these duck pillows. We used to do crafts, and I actually used to sell these faster than I could make them. They're very cute. They've got that homemade thing to them. We used to do a lot of crafts. Now, you know, I can't be bothered. Oh, and here's a good one, a good cornbread recipe. Well, there's 2. Let me give them both to you. So we're going to have to now lay off of the Jimmy Dean's pork sausage for metal. These were lap-size quilts. All those were quilted by hand, if you can believe it. So, okay, I'm glad to hear you guys are being festive. I celebrate the whole month of December, and then my son's birthday's in December, and then the whole month of January, because my birthday is in January, and then the whole month of February, because that's Valentine's Day, and the whole month of March, because that's St. Patrick's Day. So I'll be doing some celebrating. So, okay, you guys, God bless you all.